In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a delta symbol in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll be able to place a clean, professional-looking V anywhere you need it in your spreadsheet, without fuss. First, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure you are in the correct tab and on the sheet where you want the symbol to appear. Think about the context. Are you labeling a column header, adding it to a legend, or placing it next to a number to indicate change? Knowing that helps you position it precisely. Next, click the cell where you want the delta symbol to go. If you're adding it alongside existing text, double-click the cell to enter edit mode so you can place the cursor exactly where you want the symbol to appear. If the cell is empty, a single click is enough. You're ready to paste. Now, open a new browser tab and go to Google. In the search bar, type delta symbol or D symbol. You should see the uppercase Greek delta, which looks like a triangle, near the top of the results. There's also a lowercase version, D, but for changes or differences in data, the uppercase D is most commonly used. Click and drag to highlight just the symbol and copy it. Switch back to your Google Sheets tab. With your cell still selected or your cursor still in the exact spot inside the cell, paste the symbol. You'll see the die appear immediately. If you're combining it with text or numbers, consider adding a space before or after it for readability, like D sales or D 5%. From here, adjust the size or formatting to make it match your sheet's style. Increase the font size to make the symbol more prominent, or keep it subtle if it's part of a label. Bold can help it stand out in headers, and center alignment can make a single symbol cell look neat. If the symbol doesn't display correctly, switch to a common font such as Arial or Roboto, which support Greek characters well. You can also tweak the row height or column width if the symbol looks cramped, and use the Paint Format tool to quickly apply the same formatting to other cells for a consistent look. That's it. Open your sheet, select the cell, search for D, copy it, paste it, and format it. Simple, fast, and reliable. If you're using the symbol across multiple cells, copy the finished formatted one and paste it wherever you need it to keep everything consistent. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, clearer spreadsheets.